Hey guys, and welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, we're gonna look at how to lock your Prime Video profile. Now let's begin. Well, do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in. On the navbar at the very top, you'll find your profile picture along with your profile name. Simply hover over it and something like this will open up. Well, from right here, you can see something like your account and profiles. Just scroll down to the profile section and you'll see something like Manage Profiles. Click on the button right here. Then something like this will pop up. Well, we do want to edit the profile, so let's hit on this Edit Profile button right here. Then you'll see something like this. Right now, we want to add a profile lock to this profile. So I'm simply gonna select this profile right here. Do you note that you can change your profile name from here as well and add or change your profile picture? But right now, what we need to do is simply add a profile pin and lock. Let's simply hit on this Manage button right here. Then it's gonna ask you to create a 5-digit pin. Simply create it right here. Well, as you can see, I have created a pin, and once everything's okay, simply hit Undone. And once you've done it, what you need to do is simply enable the profile lock right here. Here's a button like this, simply enable it and hit on Save. And guys, that's it. That's how you lock your profile in Prime Video. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.